One of the main things that people always want to know if they're relocating or even just moving around right here in the Carolinas is, what's the best new construction community to move to? What are the incentives? What are the different builders known for? And what are the pricing? So in this series, I'm actually going to break down all things Meritage Homes right here in Charlotte and all of the surrounding areas. So make sure you stay tuned for all of the information you're going to get. So one of the biggest things that you're always going to notice as I do these tours of the Meritage Homes is the spray foam that's actually used to insulate these homes. Now, this is not only good to just help keep your home cooler when you want it or warmer when you want it, but it actually helps with pollutants. But the biggest thing is keeping a little bit of money in your pocket, which is extremely important these days. So definitely take note. This is one, like I said, one of the biggest things that Meritage Homes is known for is their spray foam installation. So definitely, if you're interested in that type of home, be sure to check these out. Braemar Village consists of 4 different floor plans, all ranging from 14 to 1,800 square feet. So if you're looking for a smaller townhome or even one with a little bit more extra room, this is definitely a community for you to check out. Again, I'm located right here in Monroe, North Carolina, which is Union County. So be sure to stay tuned for all of the Meritage Homes series that's going to come next. And be sure, if you want to check out this community, to contact me.